Looks like they had some trouble with the cat last night. They came in to groom and it's all torn apart. Looks like after I left last night, the bolts came loose on the cover plate here, lost all the oil out of the final drive and seized it all up. Here it is, all parts. Yeah, looks like the other side's okay. It's these bolts here that came loose. In all the years working on these, that's never happened before. But it made quite a mess. Hopefully the parts will be here tomorrow and they'll have it back together. But for tonight, we're taking the spare cat. So this is the spare. It's about the same thing, only it has a lot more hours on it. And well, hopefully it lasts tonight. Well, I noticed the spare cat here. That's the oil reservoir. It's pretty low on oil. Hydraulic oil, so we'll see if we can put some in it, fill it up. Usually that means there's a leak somewhere, but I haven't run this one in a long time, so I'm not sure what we have. That was really low. Well, I think we got it ready to go. Boy, I added a lot of oil to get that up there. Hopefully there's not a problem because we'll be down to third string. So we made it up the mountain a ways with the spare cat here. And I added so much oil, hydraulic fluid oil, that I was worried there's a big leak, so I stopped right here and ran everything to see if there's any drips on the ground. You can see that's where the tiller was spinning, and the hydraulic fluid is red, and so if there's anything dripping, it would show up on the snow pretty good. There's one little spot there. That can kind of be expected from an old cat like that. One other little spot right here, that's engine oil. Huh. Might not be good, but other than that, the old cat's running pretty good. So we'll see what we can do tonight with it. Well, it looks like everything's running pretty good. But I did notice there's like a little streak in between each pass. Out to see what's wrong, but I think everything looks okay. Must be some underneath these flaps here, some worn out combs. That's probably what's causing that. So I guess we'll have to just go with it tonight. Day 2. Sounds like the parts that they were waiting for didn't make it in today, so weekend's coming up, so now it's going to be 5 days before they can get it going. It's like the whole hub here. Yeah, I can see these pins have been hot. Yeah, that's not in good shape there. Here's the hub. Oh yeah, look at all the bearings. Yeah, that's in bad shape. Well, it'll be a few days. So another day in the spare. Yesterday I added all that hydraulic oil. So let's see how it did. Yeah, looks like we're still pretty full. That's good. That means there's no leaks anywhere. I did notice too that there's some headlights or rear lights out. So let's look at that real quick. There's fuses up here. Pretty sure it's this one right here. We'll just check. That one looks good. Fuse number 10. Let's check that one too. That one looks good. So that means most likely it's the light bulb burned out. Let's see if we can look at that. Yeah, well, I got this light taken apart. Yeah, I thought it was this one, but the light bulb looks okay. I'm not sure what's wrong. Fuse is good. Let's just turn it on, make sure I got the right one out. Turns out it was the light bulb, so we got both of them on, ready to go. So we'll go give it a try. Yeah, this flap broke off, and then it's kind of gets sucked under like that, and it's not leaving a very good mark in the ski run. So I just learned we don't have a spare, so we're gonna have to try to figure something out here. Yeah, good news. I did find a new one. Here, goes right on like that. I just got the old one off. Had to use one of these because those bolts are pretty rusted in there. So let's see if we can get this new one on. Don't know if you can see that. It's not pretty, but a brand new one on there, and it should leave a lot better pass. So we'll go try it again. That took a lot longer than I thought. It's dark now. I probably spent over an hour on it. Had to cut the other bolts off. But anyway, we're in good shape. Looks like our fix worked pretty good. Leaving a pretty good seamless pass.